What you thinking?
Yeah. No, no.
Mom. Yeah, I asked him to go grab his squishmallows.
Most of mine in my room.
How you doing this morning?
Pretty good.
That's good.
Out on a little walk, are you?
Oh, always. Oops. Throwing stuff. A little cup here.
Here.
Totes Skechers.
Yeah.
He should buy out the whole thing, right?
There you go.
He's got the trailer for it.
See what we got here.
Did you guys make this?
No.
Actually, my grandfather made it.
It's really cool. It's neat. Up the boots fell too.
Keep on looking.
Those are 10.5, I believe.
Yeah, I saw that. Cool.
Yeah,
I didn't know
they're,
Skechers made any steel toes.
Those aren't steel. Those
What
are
are they?
carbon fiber.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Interesting. Okay. Would you do 15 for it all? Basically throw this in free?
Sure.
Yeah. Cool.
So if you work with electricity, those are authorized for working with electricity.
Okay. Okay, cool. 15. There you
All
go.
right. Thank you.
Cool.
Buck,
Morning.
Good, how you doing?
Pretty good. Quake hold. Are you from California?
Yeah.
Spotted that right away.
How'd you guess?
Certainly not super common here. When did you move over here?
6 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
Oh, well, we raised our kids here. We lived
Oh.
up there, and we have one that went to State, one that went to Campbell, so
Okay.
it's, this is home.
Gotcha.
So. I know it. We were slam packed at 7, so.
That's what I told him. I said, people get out so fast.
They do.
So what's
You
it
may need to hang a sign.
for all these are 50 cents or?
This is
Yeah,
for sale,
yeah.
And then 3?
Yes.
There's $4. I pay a little extra.
Just give me the 3. You
Yeah, I
can have
promise
the furniture straps.
1,
I don't know
2.
what you're going to use it for, but thank you.
Okay, cool. All right, well, thank you guys. Is anyone else down this way?
No.
It's
this
just
was
the
it.
other way.
Did you go-
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. Thank you. Good luck with your sale. cool hat. Very cool. I'm gonna look at your helmet really quick.
The tag fell on the ground. It's yellow.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Let me grab it for you. Are you flexible on that at all?
Am I what?
Flexible on that price at all for the helmet?
He would be better.
Yeah, what do you offer?
Set at 25.
15?
Sure.
All right, cool. Cool, cool. You don't ride anymore?
Well,
Yeah, it
That
was
was her.
mine. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm
Gotcha.
kind of giving that up.
All right. Thank you, guys. We should have just gone shopping together today. Keep running into him at every sale.
Do you want me to get you a bag? If you don't mind, do. Yeah.
It's like a little lamp, or?
Yeah, it's like a night light, and so once it's charged up, I think it should be working.
Oh, is it?
Maybe not yet, but once it's charged up, then this is like a night light and it kind of glows.
Kind of neat.
Pretty cool. I was like, why are you getting out of this?
I think that's what you were looking
Oh.
How much is what? All that? Okay. Yes, it is. Okay, so you need to try to sell this online.
Mira.
Well, he said he did.
That's cool. Brown Francis McFarlane. A little bent. So year 2002.
Christy, while Tim's you should get him.
Is this close? No. Z-line.
You're like, she's paying me to buy this stuff? Right, I'm sorry.
That's fairly cool.
Wow, that's the best yard sale ever. I pay you to buy this stuff. How about 10 for all four?
Battleship. I parked way too far away. Way down there. I feel like I have to buy something now. I walked so far. That's their strategy. They're wired. Probably not great. This is cool. What's the year on this? 2017.
No, man, I'm good.
What is this? Kyurba.
Oh, you're very good. That's good. Oh, throw one at you. Thank you so much.
Oh, these are white.
Yeah, my daughter-in-law's in oils, so that's perfect.
Oh, yeah. Oh, like painting?
No, for like Young Living oils.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. This is I got it from Pier 1 when they were going out of business. I think that's what they put their stuff in. Like
Oh,
their,
yeah.
yeah, it is. It is
Yeah.
cool like that. Hey.
How much for this stuff?
Oh my gosh, you got some. $4. About $3.
$3 for it all, yeah. You guys selling any Squishmallows? You got any Squishmallows you selling?
Oh, I have a tiny one.
My kids collect them.
Be right back.
Okay.
We have a ton.
Three.
So your kids collect them.
Yeah, they do. They've got. Weird. My son is the one who collects them the most.
Well, I have boys, and they
Okay,
love
yeah,
them. That's why I'm
okay,
surprised he even was willing to go inside. But maybe for
He must have
$1.
one he doesn't like that much. Yeah.
Hi. I think I have to pay people for this yard sale. Oh, wait, she's buying that.
What's she thinking?
Buying the chair?
Yeah. No, no.
Let me see.
Mom,
Yeah, I asked him to go grab his Squishmallows.
because most of mine in my room were from my brothers. They're like,
I think she might get the
I'll ask her how much.
She's gonna get the chair.
oh no.
Oh, you're getting the
Yeah,
chair?
it's solid.
Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry.
I'm putting it there.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think that's cool.
You okay? Okay.
I'll go get it.
Oh wait, this is.
Yeah, I was gonna. How much?
You don't want
for-
that one?
Well, she grabbed it. It's.
Okay.
If she really wants it, she can get it. It's fine.
They-
How much for these
Look
three?
at you selling your Squishmallows. I'm so surprised because they're expensive as crap.
Yeah.
Can you give him like $8 for them?
$8 for the three.
Yeah. Do 3. I can't believe he's selling those. I love those.
Yeah, I can do $8.
This is my favorite.
I like
Look
this
at
cat a lot.
That's it.
Adorable.
So that was the Halloween collection.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, your kids are gonna be like.
One, two.
Look at him.
I have 3 kids, so she really wanted that. I was like, oh, 3. If I have 4, I've got to figure out how to split 4 into 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's possible they already have the squirrel too. Okay. So. Hey everyone, Dave here. Thanks for coming with me to those yard sales. Definitely got some cool finds there. I think. Let's see. I kind of already put it all away, so I'm trying to figure out how to show it to you. Well, we can just talk about it. You just saw it. First off, I got that new in package boat accessory that kind of keeps your boat, makes your boat go faster or something like that. That does look like it sells for around $35 to $40 brand new. So that'll be a decent flip. And then I also got that like vintage crock pot from that really nice lady who gave it to me for $3 and also threw in a bunch of earthquake safety things from California. The crock pot sells for $35, and then those earthquake things, each package sells for $5 plus. I think one even sold for $10. So, you know, making a decent little profit out of that sale, as well as the sale where I got the boat accessory. That blown glass ornament by D. Carlini looks like it might be a sneaky little bit of profit too. I found several sold comps for $40 plus from that same blown glass creator. It's like an Italian company or something. I didn't find that exact one, but I listed it, I think, at 40, and hopefully that sells closer to Christmas time if it really is a collectible. It seems like it is, so that one might be really a good little hidden profit. The helmet I picked up sells for around 50, that Harley Davidson helmet, and I think I talked him down to 15 on that. It's so funny because I was like editing my footage and watching this sale, and I was like, man, I hope I didn't pay 25 for that. I had already forgotten. I said, I hope I didn't pay 20 either. I really hope I paid 15. And then I watched the footage and I did talk him down to 15. That made me feel a lot better about the buy, because it's gonna be hard to ship and all that stuff. So that was a decent buy. And then really the star of the day was that Squishmallow find. I went to the next sale. This was right after I previously lost my AirPod. So this was the same day I lost my AirPod. I was like really upset about it, though their driveway was super long. It took forever to get up there. And I was like in a really crummy mood. And I was trying to pick through the bad mood. And so I think there was a lot of stuff I missed at this sale. I grabbed, I think, 3 things that she sold me for $3 total. It was the McFarlane hockey player, new in package. That's up in there, actually, but I can't reach it. That sells for only 10, okay? And then I got the pennant, the Miami Dolphins pennant. I already sold that for $9. I might have been able to get a little more for it because it sold instantly. But, you know, I paid less than $1. Well, I paid exactly $1 for it. And then I got that squishy little Pomeranian Squishable plush. I do like to buy plush. I sell them a lot. That plush already sold as well for $20. So just from those 3 items, we're at around $40. But then I asked if they had any Squishmallows, and the son went to grab me a Squishmallows to sell them. And then some lady ran up and tried to steal all the Squishmallows, and I grabbed 3 of them quick, and she grabbed 1, and I didn't feel like fighting. Although, now that I think back, I should have fought, because it would have been more entertaining, probably, for you guys if I actually, like, said, hey, give me that Squishmallow. But I just wasn't feeling confrontational. I was feeling a little defeated from my AirPods going missing at a previous sale, and so I just didn't feel like fighting. So I let her take the Squishmallow. Sad day. But in the end, I did get 3 Squishmallows. 2 of them my kids took, and then 1 I kept because it was worth too much. That Black Cat Halloween one sells for around $70, that large black cat. So the other 2 I got were both comping out around $12. So if I was to sell all those Squishmallows, it'd be around almost $100, maybe $90 for all 3 Squishmallows that I paid $8 for. The squirrel is worth another $12 to $15. So again, he brought out about $100 in Squishmallows. And they sold them to us for $8, $9, $10, $11 for that. The other lady paid $3 for the squirrel. So yeah, the Squishmallows were a really killer find. My kids are super happy with the 2 that they kept, and then the other one will get me all my money back from that sale. So definitely a good one on that one. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you subscribe. Check out my NC Flipper channel if you want to see everything sell and see what it sells for. And see you next time.